Simplicity and reliability are everything when you're trying to capture the moment. The Blink 500 ProX B2R has you covered. A powerful dual wireless lavalier system with recording transmitters. Simply mic your talent, mount the receiver to your camera, and you're ready to go. Record to your camera or device and have 14.8 hours of 24-bit lossless backup recording on the transmitters. With no complicated menus to dig through, you just flip the switch and the transmitters start recording. This means you'll have audio recording anywhere you need, anytime. Conducting an interview, creating some content for YouTube, or recording a podcast? Mic one or two subjects and even capture the audio directly from the mixer with ease. The Blink 500 ProX B2R is all you need, and you don't even need a camera or recorder to capture a great recording. Accessing your recordings is easy. Simply plug the transmitters into a computer and drag the audio files onto your desktop. No need for additional apps, software, or anything to slow you down. It's simple for sure, but the B2R does not skimp on power or features. The receiver features OLED metering and a headphone out for monitoring to ensure great sound. The system features a remarkable runtime of up to 10 hours on a full charge. The charging case powers the system on and off automatically, and it even provides another 2.5 times charges for a total of 35 hours of charging time power on the go. And the system is expandable with USB-C and Lightning receivers also available. No complicated menus and no specialized apps needed. The Blink 500 ProX B2R is truly powerful plug-and-play sound.